We knew it would finally come to Benidorm.
It starts to rain. It is raining in Benidorm. And it's winter, and it's cold, and it's humid. It's all in one, and it's raining. We were supposed to just show you the Mediterranean Avenue, but it starts to rain. Let's have a walk with a cold, rainy day in Benidorm. The rain's just starting. There's just first drops out here, and we're also below the trees, so I suspect that that's why we don't have that much of it. But people are going really fast to actually cover to some kind of shelter. Local cafeterias are putting coffees, teas, warm drinks non-stop because it is definitely quite cold. You can sense the humidity in the air, and you can actually tell its temperature is dropping. It's way colder, way cooler now than what it is. And you can see right here, this is like raindrops. So obviously where the trees are not covering us, there's some slight rain. It's not too much, it's not totally unpleasant, but obviously being under the rain in winter is not as nice as being in summer under the rain. There's some people already with umbrellas right there in front. A couple of taxis only. People will be getting those quite quick. No one wants to walk around when it's raining, except from us. We are the crazy people who are here to show you everything that is going on. So we are the ones who will be walking with some rain. It is nothing major, but let me stop for a second and see if you can see it on the tree. The drops, if you look at this green tree, you can see the drops falling. Oh. And instantly, it was warmer. Hacía más calorcito antes, ¿no? Now it's actually cold. It was warmer before, but I suppose that once the cold, humid cloud came here, temperatures dropped, like the sense of real feel of temperatures dropped with the humidity. Right? Oh, there's some new places out there in front. Look at this. Bubble tea. This is new. Oh, it is raining. It is raining. New bubble tea. Red Bull limited edition bubble teas. Oh my goodness, that might be popular actually. I'm not a fan personally. I don't drink energy drinks, but like younger generations probably might. I'll hope the cow shop ready for Christmas. Oh, it is cold, you guys. It is really cold. It is cold and rainy and humid and unpleasant. That's the worst temperature you could probably, the worst weather you can possibly have here. We're right by the seashore, so obviously humidity is higher. But if you get into this type of humid cloud and rain, it's done. Look at that. Everyone are sitting inside already looking for the rain to stop. And we're here. And here there's even more because there is no trees here to actually save up the area. Look at this. Probably if we stop here somewhere, we can see it on the tree. Look at this. I'm gonna try and zoom it in for you because like this is difficult to actually see it. But if you look like that, you can see it's raining quite a lot. Unpleasant. And it's gonna empty out the streets of Benidorm, definitely. People are heading with, someone's walking, not naked, but like topless. And we are wearing scarves. We're literally wearing scarves. And people are walking topless. Wow. Probably this is the best place, right below the ficus tree. Here it's not raining, so that's probably the best place to sit down. whenever the rain comes to Benidorm, a lot of people are here. It's like under the mushroom in the cartoons. People just stay here to avoid going outside and actually getting sick, because this type of weather is what gets people ill. All the terraces empty all of a sudden. Look at this. Everyone are indoors. Everyone. Starbucks is the only exception, but that's because they have big umbrellas, and these help quite a bit. And with the hot coffee, that is simply not an issue. All the typical shopping alleys. Quite a few umbrellas can be seen here too. You can see that the clouds are here. Oh, cold. It's cold. It is definitely cold, and you can see that Benidorm empties out when the weather is like this. People mostly go to the shopping mall, they go to get some massage, to go to the spa. Just sitting down somewhere where it's warm and nice. You want to pass through here? Okay, let's go. Let's pass through the bowl. Ooh, this is really low. I mean, it doesn't hit me, but my husband almost. So it's quite a low entrance for the ball, honestly. But it's lovely in the evening, even so, to make some pictures. All the nearby shops ready for Christmas celebrations, some discounts, some gifts, typical outfits. This one is too low. Who would pass through this? Look at that. It's really low. It's like for children to pass only. Really chilly. Let's see if I have a red nose already from the cold. And yes, I do. Yes, I do. I already have a red nose, and it's really cold from the weather that we have here. And as you can see, we're wearing like, this one is like very light, but still, like we're wearing winter, cold autumn/winter clothes already, and it's chilly. My nose doesn't lie. So yeah, definitely slightly unpleasant day, and it's morning, and it feels like you want to go home and sleep already because it looks like nighttime and it's just morning. These are the type of days that we don't like the most, but hey, you have to enjoy what you got, right? Quite a lot of people here still, even though there are some drops of rain, and some people are still trying to get last numbers from the lottery. This is the Christmas lottery that will be celebrated on the 22nd of December. An authentic tradition for a lot of people. Ooh, surprisingly quiet. People have seen the weather and thought, yeah, no way am I going anywhere. I'm staying where I am. Wow. And there's a yellow flag by the beach too. I suppose there is quite some waves and wind out there because I can see it from here. Terraces, putting heaters also on the terraces. Quite a lot of these. Ooh, how beautiful, look at that. They're not sparkly actually. You can see them sparkling, but that is because it's a screen. They actually are flat, like not moving lights. Very nice decorations. Looks very festive, honestly. Everything 50% off. That is why it's so busy. Who wouldn't go inside if everything's 50% off? And that's like a jewelry store. So especially for Christmas gifts, that place might be very nice. And you can get cheaper things. So who doesn't want a good bargain, right? Some of the terraces that are still open here, even though it's so cold outside, are putting up these umbrellas just in case before it gets wet. That is because if someone comes in and wants to grab a cup of coffee or tea or something else, they'll actually be able to sit down even though it is raining. So that is a good idea. Many places here are closed, such as ice cream, yogurt places, all these colder foods, let's say it like this. People are getting scarves from how cold it is. Look at that, €6 for a scarf. $3.95 for a scarf, depending on which one it is, I guess. $3.95, 5-6 euros for a scarf. It's actually not a bad option, not a bad price at all. Way less tables here on the terrace of Rico Cafe, and the same with the Nabab cafeteria. Way less tables here, so you can actually walk, and all this promenade is available. The sun's hiding right there in front. Oh, it is cold here. Oh my god. There's a strong wind here on the promenade. That's why there's a yellow flag, because there is waves too. And all people are inside with heaters. Look at that. There's literally no one on the outside. I'm gonna zoom it in like this. There is no one on the outside. Everyone are inside, gathered up. Just gonna cross quickly. The city bar, all empty. I've not seen it this empty. Who has the strength to move this one like that? Maybe it's a car or something, because if not, it's strange. Woo. The wind. My goodness. This is an honestly unpleasant time. See, people are even wearing jackets and scarves and hats and everything to protect themselves from the wind and from the drops of rain that we have. The city sports bar, absolutely empty terrace. Everyone are inside. The groups that there are, they're all inside. Ice cream places closed. Absolutely unpleasant time to be. Oh my god. Whew. Oh, look at this. Look at this is cold. I want to be at home. I want to have a chimney and sit down and heat myself up with some nice cup of tea. That would be the ideal scenario for this type of weather. Even the seagulls are here. They're not even swimming or flying around. Oh, wow. Oh, even our stabilizer says, okay, I'm over. Even the lights are moving quite a lot. That's not a pleasant day, definitely, in Benidorm town. With the rain, slight rain, with a lot of wind. Look at that. A lot of wind. A lot of cold, humidity, quite cold temperatures. This is not an ideal way of spending the time outside. You want to sit indoors, which is what a lot of people are actually doing right now. As you could have seen, quite a strong wind. You can see it by my hair. Quite a strong wind, quite chilly. Here in the city center, it is better because the buildings protect us from the cold. It stopped to rain a little bit, but every now and then there's like drops falling, but it's not like an intense rain. Even so, a lot of people are heading somewhere to sit down and wait and enter in like heat before they continue exploring, which is the recommended thing to do. Don't get cold. Put up some warmer, cozier clothes with you. Bring these clothes. If not, you can purchase them here somewhere, but you can still explore even though it's raining, even though the weather is ugly. You can still do that. Just make sure that you prepare yourselves with some clothes. And if you're cold, just go into some kind of a bar, cafeteria, just sit down, grab some nice coffee, tea, something warm, and then you can continue. You can always buy a rain poncho or an umbrella here somewhere nearby, but sometimes days like these, in a lot of countries, these are normal. For us, it's bad weather, but a lot of countries, that's their usual weather. So I don't think this is going to be stopping people from exploring. Just from going to the beach probably, but everything else is still fully available. Thank you for accompanying us today.